Well, good morning. As you can see, I'm down the canal again today, so this is part two. Excuse me. And I'm going the opposite direction today, into what is called a nature reserve. It's not like an RSPB nature reserve or anything like that. It's just a designated area of land that's been set up as a wildlife reserve. Sometimes there's stuff in there, sometimes there isn't. It's one of those. But anyway, we're going to have a look. But it's a lovely morning. I'm out on the canal, and let's see what we can find. Well, I've crossed over the canal and I'm just walking along the other side of it now in the designated area where the reserve is. This is open fields, or an open field I should say, surrounded by some woodland and the canal on my left. And it's absolutely beautiful. The sun's out. It's about 8:30 in the morning. There's a few people about, but not many, and plenty of birds singing. Obviously, because of the time of year now, they're all starting to nest build and pair up, ready for the breeding season. So, plenty about. I'm hopeful today to get some nice shots. So, we'll carry on and see what we can find. Well, it's been a wonderful, frustrating couple of 3 hours really. I wandered all around, up and down the canal and the fields. While there's lots about, again, photographing them is really difficult. Doing what I'm doing, walking around, I think I've said this before, it's really tough. I did have an encounter, a wonderful encounter, with some long-tailed tits. By the way, Mr. Staker, that's comedy gold. I'm giving you that one on a plate. Anyway, I did get a couple of shots off, but unfortunately one of them has got, I think both of them, has got a branch right through the middle of his face. Anyway, I'll put them up if they're any good. I just sat down there and somebody's come past and asked if I got any photographs, and I said, well, to be honest, not really. And he said, well, there's a little grebe up there. Now, the little grebe is something I've been looking for ages up down this canal and haven't seen one. I've walked past where he said it was a couple of times already and haven't seen it, but I'm going to go back now and have a look, so fingers crossed. Buzzard as well over in the trees opposite side of the canal. Been trying to photograph a buzzard for ages as well, so it's all looking good. Strange old morning. It's gone really cloudy now, so I'm going to head home, I think. I did get to see the little grebe, which I'll hopefully got some stuff together. There's a jay. Oh, hang on. Oh no. This is so frustrating. There's a jay just flying over my head. I love jays, they're such colourful birds, beautiful things. Of course, with a handful of gear, my camera around my side, I just couldn't get at him. He's in the tree over there now. I'm just going to hang on a sec, see if he comes back. Hold on. I'll just see if I can show you where he is. I can work out how to turn this camera around. Oh God. It's terrible without my glasses. Hang on. Do you know what? He's gone. Okay. There's a big moral this morning, and that is... No, he's gone. He's gone. Has he gone? No, they're magpies. Okay. Alright, let's get back to this. Big moral of the story this morning. Learn how to use my equipment. Yeah, I was just trying to turn this round to show you where it was. I couldn't work out the buttons. I don't know what's happened to it. It's not following me properly. Oh God, I'm in a right mess. I saw the buzzard and I was trying to get some pictures of the buzzard as it flew off. I think I was still in manual mode from when I was doing some video. I might have even been in video mode on my camera, I don't know. So God knows what I've ended up with. But it was quite cloudy anyway, and backlit, so I don't think I've got anything of the buzzard particularly. I think I've got some of the little grebe, which is great because that is the one bird on the canal. It typifies the canal for me. Buzzard, heron, Christ, little grebe, heron, kingfisher. Those three for me particularly are what the canal is about.